or the user usage experience of this transparent waterproof adhesive. See here, in the previous video I have shown you the application of this transparent glue or adhesive, you can say, from Luxafare. And once I'll try to open this before sharing my real user experience on using this product, how good is this working and how is the application and how many days it lasted, and everything I'll be showing you or sharing you in the coming video. Yeah, see here, this is what the transparent glue looks like. See here, and the application video I have did a separate video how to apply and what are the things to be done. I'll be dropping the link in the description. See here, when you apply this, this is what how it looks. When it's get totally dried up, it looks like this. And remember, this is granite, not the tile. Here in the description of this, it is suitable for tiles here. Convenient construction, multiple base planes, tough water film, durable waterproof, strong, weather resistant. So yeah, oh sorry, it has got spilled up. Okay, maybe I can just apply it here over this. And this is the kitchen area, right? This is the kitchen cabinets. That's the reason, even though it is transparent, the user experience is the food will be getting up here and the color of the food particles are remaining here. That is one thing I observe. See here, this yellowish color is due to the uh, food color like turmeric or chili powder. Those colors are getting attracted. And coming to the water spillage, actually there is a leakage here before the application of this water adhesive, and once it is applied and once it is dried up, when you pour water here for like this and there is no spillage, means this transparent glue has worked perfectly. The only thing is, this may not be suitable at the kitchen areas, means it attracts the color or the food particles remaining here. Otherwise the application is working perfectly good. And I bought this like 170 rupees, I guess. Anyway, I'll be dropping the unboxing video also. There you can get the details. See here, there is no drop spilling out. Actually there is small leakage here. That's the reason I purchased this and I applied this double coating, not the single coating. Twice I just applied. You need to apply on the absolute dry surface, not on the wet surface. You need to remember that. As this is got spilled up, I'm just using that application. This is what it looks initially. uh, when you apply, it is transparent only, but as this is the kitchen area, those food colors are being attracted here. Other than that, this is working perfectly fine. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. Yeah, I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And between these is the set I bought on Flipkart, and this is Bergner's BE Essential stainless steel tri-ply kadai with the lid which is suitable for both, and this is the frying pan. If you want unboxing of this video, you can check, or if you want to more details about this stainless steel frying pan and this tri-ply kadai, this is also tri-ply and this is also tri-ply. I'll be adding in the view products. If you want to check, you can check. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah, see here, this is the product which I have shown you just now in the video. And when the time of purchase, it was like 150 rupees. Maybe it got reduced for 8 rupees now. And yeah, see here, this got 3.5 ratings, which are decent, not that great. Okay, many purchases. Yeah, if you want more details, you can check in the here. And the one more thing, as the Bergner tri-ply set, which of contents of 3, one kadai and one frying pan along with the lid, the 3 combination, it is showing now like 1650 rupees. Yeah, This one also I'll try to attach in the view products. Please do check it. Okay.